Video title, ATUBAN Pet Grooming Vacuum, Superior Pet Care and Cleaning Kit. Introduction. Welcome to our channel, where we present to you an innovative and practical product that combines pet care and home cleanliness seamlessly. Today, we introduce the ATUBAN Pet Grooming Vacuum, offering a unique experience for caring for your pet's hair and maintaining a clean home with ease and efficiency. Key features. Larger hair and dust collection capacity. The ATUBAN Pet Grooming Vacuum comes with a 2.3-liter capacity canister, allowing for a significant amount of pet hair and dust collection without frequent emptying. This saves you valuable time and effort. Comprehensive Care Kit. The device includes a comprehensive set of pet care tools. From dog brushes to specialized suction attachments, you can provide optimal care for your pet and its surroundings. Advanced Hair Removal Brush. The built-in brush features an innovative design that effectively removes pet hair from furniture and carpets. This helps maintain a clean and tidy home environment. Effective suction power. Thanks to advanced suction technology, the ATUBAN Pet Grooming Vacuum efficiently absorbs hair and dust, making the cleaning process faster and more effective. Conclusion. If you're looking for an innovative and convenient way to care for your pets and keep your home clean, the ATUBAN Pet Grooming Vacuum is the ideal choice. With its ample hair and dust collection capacity, comprehensive toolkit, and efficient suction power, you'll experience a superior cleaning process that meets your needs and makes pet care enjoyable and hassle-free. Don't miss the opportunity to get the ATUBAN Pet Grooming Vacuum and enjoy a clean and comfortable environment in and around your home.